I have a quick update. I think I have identified the culprit. So I think this stepper motor, my y-axis motor, is wired wrong. So this stepper right here, I'll get the meter back so that hopefully we'll get a good focal distance. Pins, call this pin 1 and pin 3, see, are not connected, but pin 4 is connected. Now, there we go. Now on this motor, my y-axis motor, pin 1 and pin 3 are connected. And pin 1 and pin 4 are open. So I think the stepper being miswired killed the stepper drivers. And I've verified that these 3 motors are good because I hooked up my z-axis drive output to these 3 motors, and it can drive them both directions successfully. And initially when I first powered the ender on, the x-axis drive worked correctly. It would drive back and forth, but now it only drives one direction. It will not drive the other direction. So I think this bad stepper motor did the deed.